Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 8632 Route 5 and 20 in Bloomfield.
This is an amazing country ranch on over 15 acres. So let's take a tour.
This sprawling ranch is perfect for enjoying country living. This home features a spacious country kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, expansive counter space with new stainless steel appliances, an extra large walk-in pantry, and a dining area with great natural light. Open to an expansive formal dining room and living room with a sliding glass door to the deck and a wood-burning stove, all with scenic country views. The first floor also features 3 spacious bedrooms, including a master, and a full bathroom with laundry, all with a walkout lower level and powder room. This is the country lifestyle everyone dreams of. With an expansive deck overlooking the private nature setting, with apple trees, complete with hammocks swaying in the summer sun. Situated on 15.5 acres with ATV trails, this property is so much fun!
Bloomfield is a great place to live.
It's rich in history with many things to do. All located near Canandaigua Lake and Bristol Mountain. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 8632 Route 5 and 20 in Bloomfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!